Man, are you excited to step into the ring again?
Yes.
What do you think of Barrios? He's a big, strong, he's young, he's 30. You have 16 years on him, man.
Don't worry about it.
When you see the Manny Pacquiao fight, what can you learn from that fight?
It shows that, combination punchers, that's how Pacquiao, was landing, his punches, combinations. And, it just shows you that, he is a great fighter, but I'm going into this camp, coming into this fight confident, everything right with our game plan. And I'm going to try to execute it as best as I can.
We're here in Manila with the great legendary champion Manny Pacquiao, Sean Gibbons. And Manny is announcing.
Mario Barrios and Manny Pacquiao have just faced off for the first time ahead of their highly anticipated fight this July. With just 50 days remaining, the countdown has officially begun for the return of 46-year-old Filipino boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. He's set to step back into the ring to take on the current WBC welterweight titleholder, Mario Barrios. While the age gap between the two fighters might lead some to call this matchup a mismatch, their face-off told a different story. This isn't just a younger fighter going up against an aging legend, it's a clash of experience versus youth, legacy versus ambition.
It was like, when I was growing up, he was always a fighter I was studying, I was always watching, and he was always one of my favorites. It was so fucking just so technical, even when he was in danger.
The face-off between Manny Pacquiao and Mario Barrios wasn't just a promotional moment, it was a clear reflection of the rivalry between legacy and youth. Pacquiao stood tall, carrying decades of boxing greatness, while across from him stood the younger, sharper Mario Barrios, radiating youthful energy and ambition. Pacquiao's return to the ring has stirred mixed emotions among fans. Many are thrilled to see the legendary fighter lace up his gloves once more, drawn in by nostalgia and respect. But others can't help but worry, has the sport moved on? Stepping into a high-level professional fight at 46 is no small risk.
But it's good. Good experience. We give a good action fight to the fans.
Interestingly, the familiar sounds of the Wild Card Boxing Club have come roaring back to life. The thunderous thwacks of gloves pounding the heavy bag, the sharp grunts of a fighter pouring every ounce of strength into each punch. Yes, Manny Pacquiao, the only 8-division world champion in boxing history and a soon-to-be International Boxing Hall of Famer, is back. At 46, he's stepping into the ring once again, determined to reclaim glory in the welterweight division. I'm still excited for it, and I'm enjoying all the training. Pacquiao, now 62 fights into his storied career, told Boxing Scene. I still have the passion like before, so I'm excited. I don't have to worry about that. After his May 12th loss in the Philippine Senate election, Manny Pacquiao wasted no time moving forward, this time, with his eyes set firmly on the boxing ring. He has officially committed to facing WBC welterweight champion Mario Barrios on February 1st. Barrios, 30, hails from San Antonio, Texas, and is currently in his prime. I'm confident I'll win the fight, Pacquiao said. But I'm not taking it lightly. I'm not underestimating him. I have to push myself, punish myself, in training, just like I've always done. Back under the guidance of legendary Hall of Fame trainer Freddie Roach, Pacquiao has returned to the same intense conditioning regimen that once made him, alongside Floyd Mayweather, one of the defining fighters of this century. He believes this renewed dedication will result in a far stronger showing than his previous 2 exhibition bouts, which many viewed as lackluster following his 2021 decision loss to Cuba's Yadenis Ugas in a welterweight title match.
10 seconds!
But you have a mentality, nobody has kids today just want to get paid. They don't want to fight the best, they don't want to challenge themselves. No, the payment of the earning and everything like that is that's the fruits of your labor. The fruits of your hard work, sacrifices. If you don't want sacrifices, then how can you harvest? There's a famous saying, everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die.